Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will discuss the extension modules of Siemens PLC S7-200. We will also discuss the discrete modules, analog extension modules, and intelligent modules associated with the S7-200 Siemens PLC. First of all, we discuss discrete modules. Discrete modules are available in different IOs. For example, these are available in case of input. These are available in 8 DC input and 8 AC input and 16 DC input. What are 8 AC input? These AC inputs, these are the input channels that accept signals from external devices such as sensors or switches. AC inputs are designated to handle alternating current AC signals, typically used for detecting the presence or absence of voltage in the connected circuit. Each input channel can be used to monitor the status of a specified input device. These inputs are used to monitor the status of the input devices, input circuits in the shape of AC. And in case of output, the discrete modules are available with 4 DC output, 4 relays output and 8 relays output. And also these are available in 8 DC output, 8 AC output. And in case of combination, these are available. What are the relays output? We will discuss it. Relay outputs are used to control the external devices such as motors, solenoid valves or contactors. Relays are electromechanical switches that can be controlled by the PLC to open or close circuits. In this case, the expansion module provides 4 relay output channels, allowing the PLC to switch up to 4 separate circuits on or off as required by the program. These are the outputs available in the shape of relays to control the output devices. In case of combination, those modules which have the input and the output both, these are available in 4 DC inputs along with 4 DC output and 8 DC input and 8 DC output, 16 DC in and 16 DC out, 32 DC in and 32 DC out, and similarly 4 DC in and 4 relay out, 8 DC in and 8 relay out, 16 DC in and 16 relay out, 32 DC in and 32 relay out. These are different kinds of specifications that are available with the combination of the discrete modules. It means the discrete modules are available in 3 shapes. Those modules which have only inputs are available in this category. Those modules which have the only outputs, these are available in this shape. And in combination, the module which have the input and output both are available in these different combinations. And the analog modules, extension modules of S7-200, these are also available in 3 forms: input, output and combination. In case of input, there are 4 analog input and 2 resistance temperature detector RTD inputs are available in a single module, and 8 analog input and 2 RTD input and 4 thermocouple. These are different categories of the modules, extension module with the inputs. Those modules which have only output are available in 2 analog output and 4 analog output, and module with the combination of input and outputs are available in 4 analog in and 4 analog outputs. Intelligent modules. These modules are used for the position control. They are used to control the modem operations, Profibus DP, Ethernet and Ethernet IT. These modules are used to control the different functions like these. Thank you so much for watching this video.